You saw this in the last video. Claude went down, the chatbot kept talking. Here's exactly how I beat that. This is the full workflow. 2 AI models, 1 decision node, and 1 setting that makes the whole thing work. Let's go through each one. This is where the decision happens. After Claude runs, this node asks one question. Did Claude actually return an output? If yes, the green path. Claude answered. If no, orange path. Something failed. That's the entire logic. One condition. No output from Claude means Claude failed. Timeout, suspended model, API error, doesn't matter what caused it. The workflow doesn't crash. It just takes the other road. But for that to work, you need this. Open the Claude node settings. Here on error, continue with error output. With this, a Claude failure stops the entire workflow dead. With it, the failure becomes just another data point the if node can read. The fallback node is GPT-4 with the exact same system prompt. Same knowledge base, same instructions, same behavior. The user asks a question, Claude fails, GPT-4 answers. The response that arrives at the chat looks identical. The user never sees the switch. This is the template. Everything sensitive replaced with placeholders, your URL, your secret, your table name, your credentials. Just download it, replace the 6 placeholders, import it into your n8n, and that's it. The link on the description. And I want you to notice right here, this line right here, an error, continue regular output, is the one that changed everything. And this is what it looks when it runs. Same question, different model, settle down time. Every AI system has a single point of failure hiding somewhere. What is the one API in your stack that would take everything down if it disappeared tomorrow? Drop it in the comments. I read all of them. The link to the JSON is below, and remember to subscribe for more. Thank you. See you soon.